YouTube channel. Today we learn how to do SSH and DHCP configuration of DHCP over switches. In my topology, you can see that it is a 2950 switch which is L2 switches. We can assign IP address to our VLAN 1 or we can assign to VLAN 10. Then we configure DHCP server. Then I take SSH via VLAN. I am going to configure an IP address 192.168.34.1/24. As you can see that there is no IP configured, and same you can also see that there is no IP address in my PC. Let's start the configuration. Global configuration mode. First I give the host name to the switch. You can put as your desire. Now in the next step we provide an interface, SVI interface IP address. I am giving interface VLAN 1 and IP address 192.168.34.1/24. No shutdown. Now exit. In the next step I'm going to configure DHCP. For this IP DHCP pool test, it is the name of DHCP pool. Then give the network 192.168.43.1 slash 43.0/24. Please see all the command carefully. I am doing a mistake here for your troubleshooting purpose. Default route. Next, if provide the default route, that is 192.168.34.1, and DNS server, global DNS server, that is. Exit. Now for accessing the switch we need a username and password. I'm going to configure the username password, that is username. Give the username CCI and privilege level according to your need. I am giving 15. Password CCI 12. Now after giving the username and password, I am going to provide the domain name to this switch. IP domain name cci.com. It is mandatory that you have to give the domain name. Then IP, I am defining the SSH version which as I am going to use 2. And now after that I am going to generate a crypto key. Now before the crypto, I'm going to generate the crypto key generate RSA, and yes, replace. It was already by default. Now we are going to replace, and then it is asking for the byte of modules 1024. The key is generated and SSH is enabled. Now I am going to give the Line Vty terminal, that is Line Vty 024 login local. Local means the username password which we are given locally. In my case that is CCI and CCI12 password. Transport input I have given. In the transport input I have given, you can see the there are various options. I'm going to only provide the SSH. You can give all or you give the particular telnet or SSH both. And password CCI12. exit. Now, so all the part done. In next part, I am going to provide the IP with the help of DHCP to my PC. I'm trying to. It's you can see that DHCP failed. Again, it's requesting for IP address. Now it's again failed. DHCP failed. Yes, friends, I have already told you that I have done a mistake during my DHCP pool configuration. If you see that, you can find what fault I have done exactly. Now let's check the DHCP do show run. Now you can check that I have the DHCP pool I have given. I have done the mistake in network, that is 192.168.43.0. It is not 43, it is a 34. Now I am configuring the DHCP pool again. In that only I have configured the network part. To delete the wrong configuration, network configuration, you have to just type no. .43, it is the wrong network I have given that time. Now you can check the TCP pool network router network is correct. No, network is not correct. I have done the wrong. I'm again doing. Now it's now this time I am giving the correct network, that is 34.0. Now I'm taking SSH of switch from my PC. Yes, it is asking for password. The local password I have given. Yes, now the password is correct. We are able to log in into the switch via PC. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.